Put a finger down if you've ever gotten into your hot tub with dirty bits of sediment, dead bugs, who knows what else floating in it or sunk at the bottom, just because you didn't want to spend all that time dragging out a vacuum with cords and hoses and plugs, or because all you've got is one of those little mesh nets and you know that's never getting it all. Yeah, I thought so. Well, all that's about to change if you get your hands on one of these. This is a 4-in-1 cordless rechargeable pool and spa vacuum. It is a total powerhouse and I'm never going back. First off, it's 100% cordless. I mean, besides the cord that you need to charge it with. No hoses, cords, or plugs to mess with while you're actually cleaning your hot tub or pool. You just charge it for a couple hours. It runs for up to 90 minutes. That is weeks of hot tub cleaning before you even need to plug it back in. The motor and bristles don't just suck, they scrub and suction at the same time. There are several attachments for this. So whether it's grit, sand, pollen, leaves, it actually dislodges and picks everything up. The suction on this is also no joke. This sucks through 12 gallons per minute. For something this small, that is serious power. And it glides along the bottom. It's smooth, it's effortless. You can even get into the corners and steps and right around the jets where debris always builds up in a hot tub. I'm showing you this on my hot tub, but this will work in any pool or spa as long as the water's at least 12 inches deep. So yes, it'll handle your bigger pool too. I just don't have one of those. I cannot emphasize enough how handy this is. Stop messing with clunky hoses or flimsy nuts. Grab one of these cordless 4-in-1 pool and hot tub vacuums. Keep your water crystal clear and actually enjoy your hot tub. Soaking in the hot tub should be relaxing, not a reminder that you forgot to clean.